Hi guys, in today's video I'll be creating this beautiful blue liner, smoky liner look. I'm pretty much inspired with this color because recently someone told me that for 5 number the lucky color for 2024 will be blue. Okay, so let's see how many of you guys will like this tutorial. To create this beautiful soft smoky liner look, first thing first, you need a blue pencil, of course. This one is from Nika, Glamorize Blue Hex, and it's highly pigmented. And another thing is it dries up pretty fast, so you have to be really quick. First of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw the line very close to my eyelashes, like this. You have to draw it. Don't worry if it's not even. Like this. Okay, thing is you need this angular brush like this. Okay, and then you have to wing it out. If you feel like more product is required, you can definitely add some of it, like how I'm doing. Yeah, and just smoke it out. Don't worry if it's not perfect for now, that's okay. Yeah. And the next thing is you will need a brush like this, okay, little short. The tip has to be something like this, rounded, so that it's easy for you to blend. Just blend these edges gently. Okay, so once you are done with that, take some white eyeshadow and dab it on top of it to brighten up that area. And not only that, it will also help to lock the color intact for the entire day, and it will not smudge too. Now let's see. I see that this is a little bit longer. The size is not even. No need to worry. Just take a little bit of concealer and any flat brushes, concealer brush. Just wipe off that area. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to dab a little bit of this pressed glitters on top of it, just to give that factor. So just dabbing it. Can you see this sparkles? You can avoid it if you want to, but just for the tutorial I just wanted to add a little bit of shine. Personally, I love, those pressed glitters and stuff. And if you feel like a little bit of glitters is there on the liner, you can always go ahead and clean up. So far so good. And then I'm also going to apply a little bit of this loose. Oh my god, it's flying all over. this, I think I'll take this brush, use pigments. I'm just going to apply on the inner corner for the extra shine. Such beautiful. My phone, I don't think so it will be able to get this beautiful pigments. Okay, let me zoom it and let me show it to you. Can you see? Okay, I'm going to now apply mascara, tons of mascara. Coat this. And then on the lower lash line as well. I think I'll do double coat since I have very thin lashes. Let this dry up a little bit. Second coat. Applying your mascara, make sure you go like zigzag. In that way, what happens is like more amount of products gets sets on the lashes. This pinkish golden shadow on the bottom lash line. If you like this tutorial, do hit a like button. I hope you guys like this tutorial. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the notification every time I upload new videos. Thank you so much for watching. Have a beautiful day and